In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace tutorial, how to build a website for beginners. We'll start on the Squarespace templates page. From here, choose websites so you're browsing designs made for full sites, not just standalone pages. Then click Get Started to open Squarespace's guided setup. You'll see filters and prompts on the screen. Use the highlighted options to narrow your choices so the recommendations match your needs. Pick photography as your category to get designs that spotlight visuals. When you're ready, continue to the next screen. You'll be asked what you want your site to do. Select the goals that fit your plans: selling on-demand videos, offering a contact form, sending invoices, taking appointments, selling services, and selling memberships. These choices help Squarespace preload features and suggest layouts that already include the right blocks. Confirm your selections on the "What do you want to do with your website?" screen, then move forward. As your results refine, use the highlighted filters and previews to explore. When you're happy with the direction, choose a template. You can also jump into templates made for you to see options tailored to the goals you picked. Hover to preview and click the highlighted areas to open a template's detail page. Take a moment to scroll through sample pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact so you know what you'll be customizing. Open a design you like, let's say Aperture, and click Start with this design. Squarespace will spin up your site and drop you into the Setup dashboard. Begin with Set up your website to add your site title, upload a logo, and adjust basic branding like colors and fonts. Keep things simple now. You can refine later. A quick tip: choose clear, legible fonts for body text and test how your colors look on mobile. Next, open. Set up invoicing so you can create and send professional invoices right from your site. Then go to Set up scheduling to enable appointments. This connects booking pages and availability so visitors can book time without back-and-forth emails. When those essentials are in place, click Edit Site to open the visual editor. Head to Home to customize your hero image, headline, and call to action. Replace placeholder images with your own, update text to match your voice, and preview on mobile to ensure everything reads well. Don't forget to add descriptive alt text to images for accessibility and SEO. When your pages look good and your key features are working, click Publish your site. Squarespace will make your site live, and you can keep editing anytime. That's it. Your beginner-friendly Squarespace website is up and running.